People will ask, how long does the bankruptcy process take? I think that's one of the most common questions. And I always answer by saying that the relief that you will get with bankruptcy is instantaneous. The moment that we file that petition with the court, and we file the petitions these days electronically, so you'll come to the office, we'll complete the petition, and I'll file it through the computer. As soon as we do that, instantaneously you're protected and you have the relief of the bankruptcy, because the filing of the petition is by statute a court order that nobody can harass you, nobody can try to collect any money from you. Now, the entire process itself, how long it goes from beginning to end, that varies with different types of bankruptcy. A Chapter 7 bankruptcy is typically over within 3 or 4 months. But from a practical point of view, you experience the relief the moment that you file, and everything we do after that is crossing our T's and dotting our I's and making sure that you get the discharge at the end of the process. So yes, it takes 4 or 5 months or 3 or 4 months, depending on how fast the judge gets to the paperwork, but the relief begins when you file. A Chapter 13 bankruptcy is slightly different because there's a plan which is paid off over time, either 3 years or 5 years, so you would remain in that process for that period of time, but your relief again begins the moment that you file the petition. Chapter 11 can vary depending on circumstances, but the chapters you're most concerned about here are 7 and 13. And again, from a practical point of view, your relief is immediate, but a Chapter 13 plan goes for 36 months or 60 months.